In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check data sources details in Power BI. If you've ever wondered exactly where your data is coming from in a Power BI report, or you need to confirm the file path, server name, or URL behind a query, this quick process will show you the source details right inside Power Query. It's useful for auditing, troubleshooting refresh issues, and making sure you're connected to the right location before sharing a report. Start in Power BI Desktop. On the Home tab, click Transform Data. This opens the Power Query Editor, which is where all of your data connections and transformation steps are managed. On the left, you'll see the list of queries. Each query represents a table or view of data that Power BI is pulling in. Select the specific query you want to inspect. If you're not sure which one to choose, look for the query name that matches the table or dataset you're using in your visuals. On the right, you'll find the Applied Steps pane. This is a chronological list of every change made to the selected query, from the initial connection through all the transformations. At the top of this list is the Source step. This step represents the original connection to your data, before any filtering, renaming, or shaping was applied. Double-click the Source step. This opens the source settings for that query. What you see here depends on the type of data you connected to. For files, you'll typically see the file path and sometimes format options. For databases, you'll see details like the server and database names. For web connections, you'll see the URL. In many cases, you'll also see options to adjust how the connection is made. But simply opening this view is enough to check and confirm the source details. If you just wanted to review the information, you can close this window without making changes. If you do update anything, remember that Power Query will record that change, and your data preview will update accordingly. You can always cancel if you opened it by mistake. A couple of quick tips as you review the steps. You may also see a navigation step just below source. Navigation points to a specific table, sheet, or object within the broader source. The source step is the one that contains the connection details you're after. And if the Applied Steps pane isn't visible, it may be collapsed. Expanding the right panel will reveal it. That's all. You now know exactly where to find and review your data source details in Power BI using the Power Query Editor.